So we're here at PMI, and their specialty is smoke machines. So they have the hazer. So yeah, they have like a lot of cool things. And their brand new thing actually is a vest. So they can actually put under your clothing and make it look like you're just ran out of like a burning building. This is here the smoke vest. There's a pouch on there to actually attach the hazer or the smoke ninja, and then there's a tube that you connect it to.
Tube is here. I connect to the machine is here. So once we are going to use this one, we just put our exhale here. And once we just to make it, okay, you can see all the folks are came from the shooter or the cruiser or the models.
The bride and the groom walking along the aisle, and we have a couple of this showering the snow, the little snow bubbles, and when it lands on the bride or groom or on the floor, it bursts into little spikes of real smoke.
It's the Smoke Ninja Pro Trident set, so there's like 3 of them in there, and here we have like the hazer kit. So there's like a single kit with like fluids, also with the blower and the smoke machine. And there's also different kind of accessories. They have a DMX here. They also have like DMX antennas that you can attach to the hazer, so you can actually control the haze from a distance, especially if you're on a set where you want to set up multiple haze in different places on the film set.
Because this is a really strong formula, so sometimes it will bounce and
cool.
start rolling.
It's not just soap, I see.
The strong formula, it's a special
sure.
formula. And it stays with my formula.
Wow.